Hello everyone, my name's Phil with the Go Sold Real Estate Group. This is Kevin Belzer, and we are back again. Welcome to Surprise, Arizona. Kevin, where exactly are we at?
We are at 14052 North 156th Lane in Surprise, Arizona.
Great. Now, we have to go over one thing though, this curb appeal.
It's amazing. This has got the wow factor that a lot of people are looking for when they drive up to the home. It's what gets them to get out of the car. You've got the 3-car garage in this, you got the fresh paint, and you're rolling right into a cul-de-sac.
Can't get better than that. All right, before heading inside this house in Surprise, let's talk about the history of the city.
Well, it was founded in 1938 by Flora May Statler, and she came up with the name Surprise because she said, and I quote, "I would be surprised if this town ever amounts to much."
So talking about amounting to much, how has the growth been over the last few years?
Well, in 2000, we had about 31,000 people here, and now we are up to 141,000 people that call Surprise home.
That is a crazy growth pattern, and of course, later on in the video, we're going to be going over some of the growth and the shopping that came along with it.
Yeah, the biggest thing I learned from this is that Flora May was flat out wrong.
All right, Kevin, let's talk about the neighborhood a little bit.
Well, we are pretty much right behind the house. This is one of the pocket parks. It has a basketball court that if we're playing with an invisible basketball, I'll totally crush you in a game of horse.
That is true.
And we also have the playground equipment behind us, as well as a ramada with picnic tables and a grill.
So one of the big things is that it's very family oriented, plenty of areas to exercise, but more importantly, if you have kids, it's a perfect community.
It's great. And what's so awesome about our house is you can get all nasty, dirty over here, head back to the house, and then jump into the saltwater pool.
All right, Kevin, we are in front of the Costco. What are the hours of this store?
Currently, they're closed.
What? What?
Yeah, it's still under construction, Phil. So we're gonna have to wait a little bit, but it'll be open in the next couple months.
Well, that's one of the nice parts about Surprise. We're speaking about growth. Costco's a big deal for any city.
To me, it was the only thing that was really missing, because you know how much, with my size of family, that I love going to Costco. So yeah, you already had your Fry's, your Walmart, your other grocery stores, your Starbucks, your eateries, but you didn't have a Costco. And sometimes you just need a $2 slice of pizza.
Plus $1 soda. Now, as far as the actual highways go, there's the 303, but why is this house so close to it?
It's literally a couple minutes from the 303, so you can get anywhere in the valley very quickly. And with the expansion of the 303, even if you want to go to Chandler, it's only an hour from here.
Which is a big deal, because back when we were selling real estate 10, 15 years ago, that was not the case.
It was like 2 hours then. Yeah, it was quite a little jaunt across the valley. But now everything seems to be convenient with the 303.
Absolutely. Welcome to the inside. Kevin, let's start off with the specs.
Well, it's 2,287 square feet. It's a 2-story-ish style house. 3-car garage, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath.
All right, so you said ish. Let's go over that a little bit. What do you mean by that?
Okay, so we're standing in the kitchen right now, and the kitchen overlooks the family room, which is a step-down room off the family room.
Gotcha. So not necessarily like a tri-story, but almost like a 2.5 maybe? Can we do that?
Yeah, I think that's a good analogy.
Awesome. And as far as the kitchen goes, what are some of the specs on that?
Okay, so you have the granite countertops, you have the upgraded cabinets in here, the maple cabinets, a center island, open to the family room.
Great. And then one last thing is, with that little step down to the family room, it gives you that little extra privacy, but you also get the openness.
Yeah, and it's really good for a family, because it's like you can be up here chit-chatting and watch over your kids.
Great. Awesome viewpoint on that. All right, Kevin, so we don't see this a ton. We're in the dining room area. You don't see that.
Right, we're in the dining room. It's a step down to the front living room. The other cool thing about this room is it's vaulted ceilings, and they have brand new flooring in here installed in April.
Makes it feel a lot larger, but the nice part about this front living room is that you can almost use it if you want like a real living room, or if you have kids, even kind of like a playroom.
Yeah, they're using it as a playroom, so definitely it's got versatility.
We are finally here in the backyard. Kevin, what are some of the upgrades here?
Well, we got the extended patio off the back. We have brand new AstroTurf put in just a couple months ago, and a Tuff Shed in the corner.
Awesome. And then, is there anything else?
Nope.
But there's a pool.
Dude, I'm not talking about the pool unless I'm in the pool.
I hate this, but you asked for it. Thank you so much for joining us today here in Surprise. Kevin, if they want to set up a showing, what is the easiest way to do it?
Well, they can call 480-305-6655 or go to our website, gosoldrealty.com.
If you have questions about buying or selling, let us know. And until next time, have a great day.